How to fix ChatGPT not working on your mobile? Well, to fix ChatGPT not working on your mobile, you want to start by checking your internet connection. Make sure your internet is not the issue and that you're not facing any ISP issues as well. Sometimes it can be the ISP issue, so try and switch between other available networks and see if the issue is fixed. If not, then it can be the server glitch or the app glitch. In that case, if you are using the app, you can simply use the browser. Switch to a browser for a while and check back in on the application. On the browser, you can head into chatgpt.com, or if you do not want to do so, you want to fix the issue, then what you can do is head into your Play Store or App Store, look for the app update, ensure it is updated to the latest version, and if you're using Android, you can clear the cache and data of the app, while if you're using iPhone, you want to head into settings, then head into general. From here, head into iPhone storage and you want to find the ChatGPT application and offload the app. So hope this video was helpful. That should be it. Do like and subscribe.